Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. In this one, we're going to be doing smoked prawns and a smoked lobster roll. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Start with, we're going to do a spice mix for the prawns. So it's going to be 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of dill. Mix that all up and pop it to one side.
Hey, man.
You sneaky fucking prawns, eh?
And we're going to deshell the prawns. I'm going to take out any poop. So slit down the back and pull that grey vein out. Get rid of it. And give them a quick rinse afterwards as well. With your old shells, bag them up and pop them in the freezer ready for bin day. Or you can always use them in a bisque. Pop the spice rub over the top, mix it in well, and pop them on skewers, around 5 per skewer. Lobster, I couldn't get a fresh lobster, so I haven't to go with a cooked lobster and just try and get a little bit of smoke in there.
Lives here. I'm coming to get whoever lives here. You owe me lobster money.
So we're going to cut the back to open up the tail. Pop some paprika over it, and it's pretty much ready to go.
Fuck me, that was fast.
Pop them on your smoker, barbecue, or you can do the prawns in a pan as well. And let them go for around 30 minutes. Then I've popped some melted garlic butter over them for the last 5 minutes. Bring them off. For the lobster roll, just a nice hoagie, some lettuce, some of the lobster in there, bit of the tail, bit of the claw, and some Mary Rose sauce. I'll put a link up on the top. And then served it with a little potato pickle salad. Thanks for watching that one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
That's it, I'm out of here.